Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out something that's a little bit different than what I usually review. Today we're going to be checking out the Crazyfire rechargeable flashlight. And this is a rechargeable LED flashlight that can be either recharged, you take out the battery and put it in this charger, or you can also use 3 AAA batteries to power the flashlight, which is really nice. So if you like to keep a flashlight around for like emergency preparedness, stuff like that, this is a really good flashlight because you can keep that battery charged up, and if you need to use it for an extended period of time where you can't recharge it, you have the ability to use those AAA batteries and replace those as needed. So this flashlight is a very powerful flashlight. I'll go ahead and turn it on here. So that is the light it puts out. Now this does have a zoom feature on it, so you can adjust the zoom of the light and how far it travels. So if you need to focus on something very specific, you can pull out and make it very fine, which gives you a very small amount of light, and then you can push it back in and it widens the angle of the light. So I charged the flashlight up. I don't know how good the battery life is because I haven't had a chance to use it for an extended period of time. This is the XML T6. There are your zoom features right there. So you have times 1, times 250, times 500, times 1000, and times 2000 for the zoom. It's a nice rugged flashlight. It does claim that it is waterproof. I wouldn't necessarily take it like underwater, but like camping out in the rain, stuff like that, you should be alright. There is a nice seal on the battery compartment right here, so there's a rubber seal right here, and there's also a rubber gasket inside there as well. So hopefully that should keep most of the water out, especially if you're using it like out in the rain and stuff like that. Not sure about the light because I haven't taken that apart or anything like that, how the seal is up there, but I'm assuming it's going to be just about the same. So overall the light does perform very nicely. I like to keep a flashlight just like at my desk. You know, sometimes I'll drop something and need a flashlight, or I'll be working on my computer or something like that and need a little extra light, and having one of these is definitely handy. And my power does go out from time to time when we have a thunderstorm. So having a flashlight nearby is always a good idea. So this is the XML T6 from Crazyfire. I will leave a link down in the Amazon description down below, or down in the description down below to Amazon if you want to check this out for yourself. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.